Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel once again. Please do well to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share it to your friends you know is a trader. So in this video, I want to show you guys how to claim free 5k USD PropFM account. What you will do is click on the link in this video description without wasting your time, and we'll make this video a little bit short. Okay, so when you click on that link, follow the prompt. You know the drill in registering an account. So you'll be asked to fill in your details, your name, your address, your postal code, all of that. So when you fill up those things, you click on continue, and then you sign up an account and you log in. So after logging in, you come here and click on start challenge. So this was where I clicked and it took me here. So I have already purchased this. You can see the price here is 30 USD, but you are not getting it for 30 USD. It's 0 USD, like no amount of money will be paid. Okay, that's 100% discount. So the discount code, you understand, I will say it here in the video, and you also get it in the comment section or in the description. So what you do is here that you see already purchased, what you see it will be purchased. Okay, and there are terms and conditions you will agree to here. Okay, there's something that will appear at the left side of your phone, and you will read them and you will agree to it. Before you agree to that, you need to finish up what is here. So what you do is that the discount code you will use is 5k challenge. Write those words in capital letter. 5k challenge. Don't space there. Just 5k challenge should be written immediately or close to the 5k. You don't space, and all should be in capital letter. So when you put that 5k challenge, you click on purchase, then you will be this amount will be discounted to 0. So and you will receive your login details here. Understand? So you will receive your login details here. So let me show you how you can copy your login details. You don't trade this account on MT5 or MT4. You trade it using the Trade Locker. Go to Play Store and download Trade Locker. If you check, you can see that I have already created and purchased the account for free. So what you will do is come here, see this email, the same email you used to sign up with them. Use that same email to log in. This password, you will click on this eye icon. See this eye icon here, click on it to open your password. You copy it and you paste it on Trade Locker, and the server is PropFC. Make sure you write it in capital letter, or you can as well copy it and paste PropFC. That is the server. So you copy it and paste there. There's nothing much, it's free. Then if you check here, you will see their rules. Step 1 objective, minimum trading days is 4. That means before you can get funded, or before you can be given the second phase account to trade with, you should trade a minimum of 4 days this account, even if you make the 8%, because the profit target is 8% of that 5,000. That's 400. You understand? So even if you make the 8% and you have not yet accumulated 4 days, you won't be funded. So you have to accumulate these 4 days and then 8%. Then you will be funded this for the second phase challenge. So maximum drawdowns is 8%. That's 400. I don't think they have daily drawdowns because I've not seen it. And what I'm observing is that these people are new prop, so they are trying to gather more clients or traders to their company. So even in their Discord, you can join their Discord. You understand? Check your Gmail, you will see the link to join their Discord. After signing up with them, join their Discord, verify yourself, and then you follow up there. So when this site is being updated again, because they are running an upgrade on it, when it's being upgraded and posted, then they will keep us posted in the Discord channel. Then from there you can come and read other, because they have consistency rules. You all know what consistency rules is all about. Then, like I said earlier, before you can get funded, the step 2, you need to pass the step 1. So that's how it is. Then after the step 2, you receive your funded account. So there's nothing much in it. What you have to do is just maintain a particular lot size. If you want to start trading it now, make sure if you sign up, if you want to start trading, if you're using 0.03, you can keep using that. Understand? Just trade normally. Don't gamble. Don't hold trade for less than 1 minute. You understand? Trade it normal. No, anything gambling is not trading. Just do normal trading, and you won't have issue with them, even while they are still in upgrade. You understand? So that's how you can claim the 5k account. So I can't stay here to show you on how to log in on your trade locker. I said it already. Just copy your Gmail, your password, and save. Go to trade locker. Very simple. Then you'll be able to log in and access your account. So guys, you can see I've logged into the account. Check the account. You see the 5,000 here. So I've logged into it. So also go and claim your own. Through the video I sent to you, watch the video carefully from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any parts, and then go and do your own. Click on the link in the description and claim yours. It's real.